Can you hear it? You can see there. It's 7 p.m. Everybody's clapping for essential workers, doctors, nurses, cops, all of that. So we're in New York City right now, but we're gonna have a little fire on my camping stove. I forgot the name of this brand. Uberleben. Basically put this part in, just like so. This is fine. Gonna put in this last one, just like so, and hook it up. Come on, baby, get in there. There we are. There we are. These things we don't really need. These little crossbars. We could use them, but we're actually gonna use something better. I'm gonna use this. You know what I mean? So these and that will go in here. And then I'm trying out these weird blocks. Zorus Star. I've never used these before. I have no idea what's going on here. There's 40 pieces. And supposedly you can start a fire pretty easily with these. Let's check them out. Let's see. Alright. So they're little blocks. Just like that. I guess we'll just take one. Two. Too much. Good. Put it over here. Two is more than enough. And as far as the actual wood, this is how hipster it gets. We have hickory chunks. The whole thing is fake. None of this is real. And yeah. We're gonna use a couple of these hickory chunks. Let's put one of these pieces here, because this we don't need for now. This we certainly don't need. So let me turn this around just like so. Yeah, they burn. Burning good. And we're actually gonna make some hot dogs. Some easy hot dogs. Alright, so I'm gonna put this on there. Just like so. Because I want it to catch, you know what I mean? I want it to catch good. You know, maybe a bigger piece like that. And we might not even need this other piece. I'll just put it away. Since it's an apartment, everything is like miniature and small and weird. But I think we got this. think we figured it out. Drinking a little bit of LaCroix. Raz cranberry. It's too easy to drink beer. This is the hard shit to drink. So yeah, in a second I'm gonna add another piece. It's a beautiful day. Like right now I could go for a ride. My bike is tip top, but I'm supposed to stay home. It's kind of funny because I used to be mad at myself for not going out, not going riding, and now it's like, oh, I have an excuse. I don't have to go out. And look, these are stickers. All the Ducati Camping Club, Ducati NYC paper bikes. Create to Destroy, Mini Mega Moto Meet, Moto Camping, Lucifer Sprite, Scrambler, New York City NYC Scrambler, you know, Cluster, Defobra, Motovelli, Motofellas, FX DLS, Monster Rider, Union Garage, Doomed, Motorwolf, Bakura. But this is interesting, you know? I'm gonna bring a knife so I can poke it around a little bit. Nathan's. So we have 2 potatoes that I've boiled last night. I'm just gonna chop them up a little bit and not even, maybe cut them in half, cook them. And then we have 2 Nathan hot dogs. This is a whole little sad meal. And this hot dog looks like it's been bit off. But I assure you the packaging was sealed, so we'll see. But I'm gonna give this a couple of minutes to burn. Add another piece of hickory to there. Get the fire going good. So things just got taken to another level. Things are serious now. We have salt, pepper. Speaking of which, I should bring something else. So, things got serious. We got spices here. Spice rub. My buddy NYC Scrambler got me this Joe Robinette Bam Sun spice rub. And then also some Montreal steak seasoning. We got our frying pan. I'm gonna hook it up. Boom. Set it aside. And we got a little bit of onion, a little bit of garlic. So we're just gonna slice this stuff up because I was going to cook it right on the fire, but the fire is unruly. And this looks like a lot of garlic, but this garlic is a little old, so it's not as strong. It's more for a nice little punch, a little touch for flavor. This might be a little too much onion, but I happen to like onion. So, dice this up. Not too small, not too big. Nice and easy. Yeah, that's way too much onion. But it's alright. It's okay. Then we have potatoes. 1, 2. Take your potatoes. Dice them up good. Just like so. I have a lot more stuff I can put in this, but then I was just like, you know what? Let's keep it simple and campy. Oh. Can you hear it? You can see there. It's 7 p.m. Everybody's clapping for essential workers, doctors, nurses, cops, all of that. So that's been going on in New York City every day at 7. So there we go. This is all our ingredients. So we're gonna add because I'm gonna add a little bit of sear to the hot dogs, after which I'm gonna, you know, add the other veggies. So I got some olive oil. Just gonna put a good amount in there. That should be pretty good. You want to coat it. You want to coat it good because we don't have a lot of sauce, so this is a big part of the flavor. Nice. So I'm gonna put that on the fire in a minute, and then you know, cook it down and whatnot. But I'm gonna chill for a couple more minutes, let this burn down. Put the frying pan right here. Got our spoon. Yeah, it's pretty warm. Let's take all the hot dogs, get them down there. Maybe a little too much oil. I might take a little bit of oil out. I can add it if I need it. Definitely needed to take out some of that oil. That was too much. I don't know what I was thinking. These are browning up pretty quick. So it's gonna be time to throw in the onions and garlic. Can't really regulate the heat because it's just like on. So now we'll just take some of our onions and garlic. Good. Now we'll cook them with fire. The smell is amazing, obviously, because onions, garlic, and hot dogs, you can't really go wrong. Just gotta cook down the onions a little bit, make them a little translucent. Not really cooking them to like color, cooking them to so they're tender. So there was just a terrible accident, and I dumped a bunch of onion onto the floor. So now we have less onion than ever before. But it's getting cooked pretty good. The onion is looking good. It's almost done after just a few minutes. Look at it, you can see through it. And that's what you want. Alright, so now it's time to add the potatoes. Bring the pan over here. Add your potatoes. A couple of little pieces of garlic still in there. Put it back on there. And now is when we season it. A little bit of Bamson, not too much. And a little bit of Montreal, also not too much. Just a touch. Nice. Gotta take it off the fire because the fire is burning hot. So at this point we add a little bit of that oil that I poured off earlier. That's nice. So just a little bit of color. That's all you're looking for. Yeah, it's delicious already. And it smells so good. The onion. And you just sit out here on a balcony in New York City. Hear all those alarms? It's the corona, bro. Coronavirus. You could deglaze the pan with a little bit of LaCroix. That'd be perverted. If I had beer, I'd do it. I don't know if LaCroix is the right. Let's try a potato. This is righteous. A little more Montreal seasoning. Yeah. Check it out. I'm gonna eat this and relax by the fire. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate it. I'll talk to you guys soon.